What is it?
What?
Tell
This
the
is
audience.
the Ford Focus straight pipe.
Before. That just won't do.
Sounded like your fart can fell off.
It always does that. I think mufflers should be universal clamp-ons.
What about tampons?
I wear them.
What'd you find at the muffler shop?
Well, I found this Flowmaster straight series. Is that what they call it?
Yeah.
Yeah, the Flowmaster straight series. It's pretty nice. I mean, it'll work.
Yeah. You're good.
Yeah.
Let's stick her on.
Yeah.
Okay, so Landon's gonna sawzall his muffler off. It's a moment of truth. Good luck, buddy. Get her straight.
I want to make sure.
You're good.
I don't know if it's straight. This shit's hard. That's why I bring it to James's house.
James.
This is no fun. I'm halfway through.
Are you getting there? You die?
Yeah.
How straight is it?
It's pretty fucking crooked.
Okay. Hold on, let me see. Oh, fuck. You cocked the program. Give her a rap. You like her?
Yeah!
You like it?
It's better than stock.
Yeah, that's for sure. That's what we like to hear.
Nice place.
Only at James Marcus Exhaust Shop.
What's that pop?
That's cackle.
Alright, well, let's get the other side cut.
Fuck yes. You gained 50 horsepower, dude.
No, I think I just gained about 1,000 chicks on my penis.
Hell yes, you did.
There's no way I'm getting in this. There's not. There's no clearance.
You telling me you can't get it in?
Dude, I'll get it in 1,000 times.
Show me. You won't.
It freaking stands up there by itself. Yeah, that's not straight.
Just get her in the ballpark.
Can I go like this?
You can go wherever you want. It's your car. That's why I don't do this portion.
I'll go. This car.
Oh, fuck.
Am I too far back?
Yeah, I would go a little closer. There. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, right in there. Just floor
Is it straight?
Yeah, just floor it.
Fuck.
Don't let off.
I got shit in my eyes.
Oh, damn, you're cutting through that like butter. You're almost... Oh, hell. That was record time.
Oh, god dang.
Oh, now your exhaust is hanging. Oh, we'll get it fixed. Hopefully, or else you're just fucked.
No, we're fixing it.
Completely deep.
Alright, everybody. We got the straight pipe Focus here. And we goofed. We goofed bad. But we fixed it. Let me show everybody here. Okay, you see that masterpiece right there? Well, our original plan, we were just going to cut the muffler off and put a piece of straight pipe and be good, except we didn't measure right, and the pipe wasn't right, and we didn't have anything to fix it, so we ended up taking off the rest of the exhaust and making this side exit with this tip here. I think it's pretty good for what we had laying around, and we're out of wire for a welder, so no welding, but we can pretty this up later. But yeah, show them how it sounds. Sounds good to me.